Good day folks, we're back again with my 66 to 68. Judging by the side vents and that this is not a wire mesh, I think this is 67 or 68. Because 69's had this as well, but the grills and the way this is set up, this plate design for the controls was 66 to 68. And I think the 65s, and I think last year was 66, was the last year to have the mesh. I think. I'm trying to remember from looking at Kenneth Horn's Tumblr page. I'm pretty sure 67 to 68. Anyways, this is the plate, steel plate that they use. It's interesting that they use a steel plate angle iron. Ones that are in better shape would make good top rails, which I'm just going to slap on right here. These don't have any bottom rails, but for window insulation, it doesn't really matter. What you need for window insulation, all you really need is a top rail, and that's it. So the ones that are not butchered by the Sawzall, the ones that were in good shape because everything else got butchered around them, will be used. At least one on that unit. And if that unit works, who knows, a few years from now it might be put inside a window. But that one will be the first candidate to go inside a window sometime in the future. Like I said, it looks pretty sweet with the grill on. But yeah. Anyways, that's why I didn't get a fire video of this unit. And because, I'll put you down here for a minute. Now what you see is nothing. As I move the laptop around, we still have power hooked up. And we put the grill on. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. That'd be a real shame. Alright, yeah. Alright, let me tilt you up somewhere so you don't see absolutely nothing. Take a look at a glass jar with screws in it. A little more interesting than absolutely nothing. Okay. And now, there's power resupplied. My finger off the camera. There, autofocus, and yeah, pretty sweet. It's held on pretty well on that side. This side's a little loose on the bottom, but whatever. So you just pull this down. Reveals out front. It's a little cracked there, but all these Chryslers kind of have a problem with that. She does kick, so for more traffic to go by, take a look at those controls. Yeah, there's supposed to be some detailing that got faded out, I think. Glow fan. And it shouldn't be throwing any mice in this cell. Should be able to understand. As in here, it's a pretty quiet unit. It's loud. It's fine. It's really not that bad. It's pretty good. Pretty good inside the bedroom. Afterwards, he's going to Builds head pressure to kind of stuff in it. My 69 11K does the same. My 6K, the one from 1970 I got from the air conditioner, does it. And the 9K high efficiency doesn't, but the 8K with the 8,000 BTU power about 7 unit is the same. That hasn't, it came. So, anyways, I guess it comes with these and AEs don't. 8Ks and AJs too. Anyway, now it's finally got the vent open and finally release some of that air. I mean, it's not much. I mean, even from the factory, this is, there's only a lid that comes out there, so we just block out the fans with fan shrubs. Oh, it's more than what you used to have. She does. Low cold. Yes, it's really nice to do it for you too. Happy has the original grill in the back. Unfortunately, that one doesn't. That's probably why it's kind of set up during NASA and who knows what's in there. It looks good. Anyways, yeah, it's just a move around and stuff. Doesn't really shake at all. Anyway, the backstory on this is fall? Yeah, fall of 2018. Went to this one job where it was like a mechanic shop, a whole bunch of junk cars around here for parts and stuff like that. Had an office trailer from when these were made, mid to late 60s. Sitting in the back. So I saw those units, and then in the spring of 2019, we went up there again to take some cars out for scrap. And saw these units there, still there, which is good. Not too much happens up north. But anyway, so talked to the guy about it. He says I can have them. I got these for free, believe it or not. He just gave them to me. Sounds like I could get them out of the office trailer, which we are going to take down. It's rotted to bits. Like literally one wall is coming off the back wall. Is 6 inches to separate almost all the way around. I don't know how it's still on. One more ice storm, a good windstorm will take that out. But that's sometime in the future as things go up there. So close it up. But yeah. So, and June, I think, I got that one out by myself. And then I had help with this one. Took off the rails, of course, as you can see. You can see where, because it was drilled into the unit, 1/4 inch screws, and it was drilled into this middle siding, aluminum siding on the trailer. And this is the little bit that was hanging out on the outside. This is all inside. And the walls came to probably about here, so they put the metal plate on to block the air. This is, it's the office trailer. It's 2x2s, not 2x4s or 2x6s like a house would have. So, yeah, take this part quick, and then, I don't know, kind of running out of time today. Tomorrow, if it's dry, I'll take some more videos of this. Yeah, that's a little bit of backstory. So, anyways, midsummer, got that one out. Couldn't carry it to my car because, like I said, they're heavy and I was by myself. This one I had some help with, and I got both of them back in my truck, my dad's truck, and brought it home eventually. So, they're here. They're going to be used sometime in the future. Yeah. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. More stuff to come when I figure out what I'm going to post next. Anyways, thank you all for watching.